Alright guys, September 5th, 2016, cold start of the Yardman. This time it hasn't been started up in, I'd say, a month or so. Something like that. It's got gas in it. The lawn here desperately needs to be done, so we're out here in Marseilles doing some more work. So let's go ahead, and I took that extra key off this ring. So it's been a while since I've been on this thing, so I'm going to fire it up. There's cobwebs and spider webs all over this thing. Hasn't even been sitting that long. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and fire this thing up. I'm gonna put the key in. If it'll go in, turn it on. There's our battery power. That light needs to be replaced. We have battery power, that's good. I'm gonna try it with choke first. The last time I choked this thing too much, pretty much. I still got it going, but I kept the choke on a little bit longer than I had to. So let's push the clutch in and see if this thing will fire up. Yep, just have to push that choke in. That's pretty darn good. It fired straight up. So I'm going to use this on the main part of the yard, then that has to be used for the parts that this thing won't get. So it does take a few minutes to heat up, so I do have to wait for the engine to warm up before I start to speed it up. So if I go too fast on this, it will just like die out. So we didn't get too much smoke either. We didn't get any smoke for that matter, so that's good. Alright, let's see if it'll throttle up here. Nope. That's, as I was saying, you have to wait for it to warm up a little bit. Not bad. Not bad at all. What I'm gonna do, give you guys something. Let me take this key out. I'm gonna head back there and see if this thing will start up too. Just for the fun of it. This is a, because I am gonna have to use this too, this is a Briggs & Stratton. This is a yard machines actually, with a Briggs & Stratton. So this thing has had a carburetor cleaning too. This thing was having a lot of problems, just like the tractor. So I think the carburetor is finally starting to clear itself out because before they needed starter fluid to get this thing going. So let's give that I know I'm priming it a lot, but it needs a lot of priming to get going. So let's see if this thing will fire up. I think the carburetor on that thing is finally starting to clear itself out, so that's good. I got the tractor all ready to go, got this thing all ready to go, time to go cut the grass. There was your September 5th, 2016 cold starts. Thanks for watching.